Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to enable the iPhone startup sound quickly and reliably. Your iPhone must run iOS 17 or later to use the startup sound. Make sure the side silent switch is off and the ringer volume is up. Keep Bluetooth headphones disconnected when testing so sound plays from speakers. Have at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions during updates. Follow the steps precisely and test after each change. I will guide you step by step with clear actions. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Sounds and Haptics to access sound controls. Scroll to find Startup Sound and toggle it on if available. Also toggle Lock Sound only if you want a locking tone. Flip the side silent switch to the off position to allow system sounds. Use the volume buttons to set ringer volume to about 70% for reliable playback. Test by restarting the iPhone to hear the startup chime after power on. If you do not hear the startup sound, first check the side silent switch and do not disturb mode. Disconnect Bluetooth devices or wired headphones before restarting to ensure sound uses the iPhone speaker. Verify ringer volume is above 30% and not at 0. If startup sound is missing, update iOS to the latest version and restart the phone. As a final step, contact Apple support if the chime still fails to play on a supported model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.